Hi, welcome to this video. We're going to guide you through how to download videos from Pinterest on PC. So go ahead to your browser, right? And head over to the Pinterest.com home feed. Select your video. Let's say I want to download this video, right? Now pretend as if you're going to share the link, but instead you're going to copy the link, right? Now, what you're going to do next, you're going to just go ahead and open a new browser or open your Google, basically, and type Pinterest downloader. You're gonna go ahead to the first website, click pin, paste the link that you just copied. Right? Hold on. Goodness. If that doesn't work out, just go ahead to another website and add the link. Right? And the video will pop up here. Okay, so we're gonna wait a few moments and then we're gonna get back to you. Alright, as you can see here, that the video popped up. All you gotta do is just hit save it to your device. You're gonna name it as, let's say, this name, and then select, of course, the location and hit save. Consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.